we should also good in like learning maths and reading maths. Like I have seen one video in which they talked about when we read a case study related to mathematics, so you have to understand that like words in your and convert it into mathematics. So you should be very good in reading that particular case study and understanding that while reading that case study, and then understand what it is trying to say and what we have to conclude from that case study. That is very important. And I think there should be case studies in our curriculum, like in school curriculum, so that student can apply that topics which they have learned in their books and then apply into that case study, and that would be related to real life, right? As you have said, the thing, if that is given to the student, they will think about it, that how we can solve this problem. So in this way only student can enhance their mathematical skills. Case study is very important, right? So yeah, you should be good in reading and like I think learning and reading. That was the topic of that video. I will share that video. That is very great.
Nice. And one more thing, when you are organizing these webinars now, you could add one more aspect to it, the playing of strategic games. As in, what do you mean by that? Like rock, paper, scissors. I mean, have you played this or learned about this?
Yeah.
So in this also, there's an optimal strategy that if you choose rock, paper, scissors in equal probability, one third, one third, in a long period of time, you will win a lot of games.
Yes.
Because it's a circle.
I gave this same idea, like strategy behind different games, but that needs like our students from school and colleges, the strategy behind that games need a lot of mathematical complexity, right? So they can't understand things on the post. Like I really wanted to know the strategy behind the chess, how we can play a chess to win that game.
That, so, you know what, that is more like a complex exercise and suited to computers, because even let's say if you take an expert in chess, they do not calculate exact steps in all the games. They have kind of like your, how do I put it, an intuitive way of thinking that, okay, this is the move, so probably this should be my move. Because if you start calculating now that after 10 steps, what will happen, I mean, you will not be able to keep track of the things, because ultimately it will branch out very heavily that he will do A or B, then I will do C or D, and then the complexity of that thing can only be solved by computers. So I would say that strategy behind chess would be difficult for students and even for people who are expert in mathematics. It's not easy.
But I have seen one movie on Netflix in which they make the strategies that if I move this player, then they will put this, maybe they can attack from this. So they make strategies. They don't work like the experts really make strategies. If I move this from here to here, then the other participant will attack me. They make moves and they write that down in their notebooks.
Yeah, probably like, it's a mix of experience and mathematics then.
Yeah, they make moves to win, how they can move. So they make moves like how can I win and how the other person will react on that move. So they make all the notes regarding to the chess thing.
Right.